ARC trainers can give you a full body workout. They provide a number of exercise programs to choose from, like strength training, weight loss, and cardio. They monitor such things as heart rate and calories burned. Like any piece of exercise equipment, using one properly is the key to a safe and healthy workout. ARC trainers are made to give you a wide range of incline and resistance levels to let you train as easy or as hard as you like. To start, a tube laser machine cuts and profiles the steel tubing that will make the ARC trainer side frame. A worker cleans the steel tubes, then runs them through a computer-controlled roll-forming machine. This machine shapes all the steel used to build the ARC trainer's frame. They use a robot to weld all the parts together because robotic welding is more consistent and accurate than hand welding. The completed frames then get a surface preparation, giving the steel a uniform finish that is now ready for powder painting. Workers then paint the frames using an electrostatic paint process. These guns spray electrically charged paint particles that are drawn to the grounded frames in a smooth and even coat. The frames then bake in an oven for 40 minutes to cure the paint. Next come the handlebars. A worker then makes them by lubricating a rubber tube and sliding it onto an assembly frame. He then locks a preformed metal tube in place and lubricates it as well. He turns a hand wheel, which brings the two tubes together, forming the hand grip. He completes the assembly by screwing on an end cap. Meanwhile, a worker assembles the control panel by putting on the overlays for the user interface. She then hooks up the printed circuit board that controls the unit. She closes the housing, but leaves the connectors exposed for connection to the mainframe later. A worker then attaches a steel support fixture onto the frame. Next comes this drive wheel assembly, which he bolts onto the support fixture. He puts a drive belt around a pulley that provides various resistance levels for the user and rolls the belt onto the drive wheel. He then uses a pneumatic tool to tighten down the pulley, which stretches the drive belt and sets it to the appropriate tension. Next, he attaches the computer board that controls the various fitness programs. A worker then installs the leg bars onto the ARC trainer's frame and attaches a foot pedal onto each leg bar. He installs linkage bars onto the drive wheel assembly. Then he aligns the drive wheel and puts on the molded front housing, followed by the protective side covers. He connects a linkage bar that extends from each leg bar to the drive wheel, then connects one linkage bar to each arm handle. He makes sure all the linkage bars are working properly. Finally, he tests the free-floating foot pedals and the dual-action arms, as well as all the other functions and features. These ARC trainers are high-tech exercise machines. Some models even come with a TV.